Njorua, and I love the Lord as my personal Savior. I am the mother of Bayo, and I want to give tributes to her. I want to pour out my heart regarding my dear girl Betty. Being my last born, my memories are so recent and fresh. No mother should ever have to go through this experience. But Betty, you love the Lord, and I introduced you to as a small girl. I say what you could have said, it's God's will. You loved God from a very young age. You could lead others in fasting and going to caches since you were 12 years old. You didn't shy away from joining others on the altar in praise and worship. We lived together during your young age and through adulthood. As I watched you grow to a God-fearing woman, even through school to college where you did journalism. I remember when you shared me with that you keep hearing songs within you. I encouraged you to seek God, and after we prayed together, I had a confirmation which I shared with you that you have a gift in you, and we continue to seek God. And in 2009, you started your journey as a gospel music minister. God confirmed your gifts and ministry by blessing your journey in Namanse and making you a voice to the world. When you got blessed, you insisted that I rest and you let take over because you were able to provide for me. You took me from the village to Runda Estate, where I lived with you until I personally requested you to let me go home. You hesitated to let me go, but we finally agreed on it. You didn't stop there, but you built a modern home for me to make sure my life was comfortable. Down the line, you suggested that you wanted me to travel to America, where I'm currently located. Your life may have been short, but you beautified my life more than I could ever imagine. I know even in your grave, you are still concerned about me. My love for you never changed, whether in life or death. Thank you for giving me my adorable grandchildren, Sky and Danny. To you, Sky and Danny, you may not replace your mom's spot in my heart, but when I see you, I remember her. The bond and love we share with you, both of you, will carry me through this difficult period. Please remember that Grandma loves you beyond what words can express. Go well, my dear Berry, forever in my heart.